Hello guys, this is Tosha. Welcome back to Practical Coding YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to code in Salesforce. So for these reasons, all you need to do is first to create a developer org. So we need to write like Salesforce developer. So first you need to create a developer org for your practice. Then you need to write all the information. Yeah, your email address, your roles like your developer, your company name, the regions from where you're belonging, your postal codes, and finally the name. It is the username. Let's suppose I write Tosha at the rate pal dot gmail.com. So this should be unique, and as you know, your username must be in the form of an email address. It does not have to be real. It should not be real, but you should have to maintain something like dot pal, or right, I can say like dot at the rate gmail.com, something like this. So it should be in this format of email. Then you need to write postal code. After filling all this thing, I'm coming back to you. So fast, you need to fill all these details and then click the sign up button. Then this screen came like almost there. Please check your email to verify your account. Then you will get our verifications, and you need to click like you need to enter your password, create new password, and then the next step is you need to start login in your Salesforce work. So all you need to do is you need to write Salesforce login. So this is the page where you can log in. So you need to write your username, what you have done in the previous screen. Like I have used this thing like torsha.pal at the rate gmail.com, and then you should have to write your password. And this login. So this is you can save it or you just can cross it and remind me later because I'm not using my phone number right now. So this is the new org for 25 means 2025 release, because Salesforce have recently releases winter 25 releases already been done. So this is the new org. So all you need to do is first of all you need to check the object, like the object which are basically used are like account. Yes, this is the standard object. This was provided by the Salesforce. So this is the main things, means from object manager you can find the object, and here is all the fields which are related to the account object, like account name, account number, account owner. These are the fields. I just wanted to show you some more object which are given by Salesforce, which are called standard object. Those objects which were given by or provided by Salesforce are known as standard object, and those objects which we create are known as custom object. I will create another object which is custom object for you. First of all, I'm going to show you some object which are provided by Salesforce. So I'm writing contact. So this is another standard object, and you can find these thing. These are the fields which are included in the contact object. Another important thing is opportunity. So here is another object and its related field. So these three things like account, contact, opportunity are the most important object in case of Sales Cloud. And if I talk about some more thing like from setup, this is known as the app launcher. From here you can click these are the service sales console. If you work in Sales Cloud, you can use these. for your practice you can use this. And service console is for service cloud consultant. They are basically using service console where they can, like, different screen are showing here. I'm just going to show you. In this case, as you can see, in this service console you are only showing these cases. So if I see, like, I can also see contact. I can these are the contacts which are automatically given by Salesforce. And accounts, there are multiple things you can edit it, like you can change something, like change their positions or add something by using app builder. So now I'm just showing something like create an object. For that reasons, these things is not required. First of all, we need to go to service. Or if we want to see object in different place, so in that reasons we need to go to our org. This is the profile of, in this case you can see this is the user. And one more thing, I just wanted to show you the user. For this reason, this is the gear icon which are basically used to go to different places, like object. If you want to see the object fields, page layouts, then you need to click on this gear icon, then setup, and you will get this option. This is the main page. Here you can see two things. This is the quick finder where you can find anything, like, yeah, there is two such thing, like from quick finder you can find something which are in this list. And if you want to search something like object related things, then you need to go to this page. So here I'm going to show you user. So in user, as I created my own org, so you can see my name here as well as some standard user. Like, this is my user, which is system administrator. I mean, these user have the capability to create, edit, or means all the access which the administrator should have should not be shared with others. We can create different profiles. So first thing is my user. There is another user like integration with user which are provided by Salesforce. There is chatter export and user security. We can create a user. So for user creation you need to click this new user, and you need to provide all the details. As you can see, user license, here you can see that Salesforce license. As it is a free work, you do not have that much license Salesforce. So you can find like Salesforce integration, Salesforce platform. So maybe we have two Salesforce free license, and if it is expire, means if we have created two users for Salesforce license, in that case, if we need to create another user, in that case we need to use Salesforce platform. So for that reason, I just wanted to show you something like company information. Yeah, this is the thing, like company informations. From company informations you can get all these things, how much license you have, your time zone and everything. Like as I said earlier, yeah, as it's a free org, we only have two Salesforce license, and we have 5,000 chatter free license, and Salesforce integration license is one, platform license is three. So first of all, we just try to use Salesforce license because this gives much exposure. As I created only one user for myself, so Salesforce automatically give this user system administrative access, means the best access. And if I create another user, in that case also I can use another one because I have left two licenses, so I can create two more user using Salesforce license. But after that, if we need to create another one, then we just need to jump into the Salesforce platform because we have three licenses left, so we can use this. And if I talk about, as I said, custom object creation. So from object manager, we need to click on this button like create custom object. And as I said, like country and plural form, and it's automatically populated here. And you need to write like, if we want to create a report based upon this object, then we need to select this checkbox like allow reports, allow activities, track field history if you need it, otherwise just uncheck it or didn't do any kinds of action. If it is in the deployment phase, then this checkbox is fine. Otherwise, if you want to develop something more, you would just want to add some fields, in that case you need to check this checkbox like in development. It's not a checkbox, it's a radio button. So as of now I'm just clicking on deployed. If I need to select this checkbox, in that case I can create notes and attachment. I just check it so that you guys can see this. And I'm just select this one also, and I'm just saving it. So this is the first step. And we need to create a tab so that we can see this object from the app launcher. So object name is already populated here, so we need to select a style. So I select books because I love books. So, and then the next, you can write why you create this object. Maybe there must be some reason, business logic, you can write it here. And then click on the next button. Apply one tab visibility to wall profile, means if you want to see this tab is visible for all the profiles, means system administrator profile, integration user profile, then you can select this one, otherwise you need to select this one. So as of now I'm selecting this one because I want all the profile can see this tab from app launcher. So as of now I'm selecting this and next. So all these checkboxes are checked because I give permission to all the profile to see this. And as you can see, custom app, these are the apps which are given by the Salesforce. So these checkboxes are checked and we do not need to do anything here. We just need to save. So as you can see, this is a custom object. How could you know that it is a custom object? By using these things like underscore underscore c. By seeing these things, you can identify that it is a custom object. As per Salesforce, the standard object do not have underscore underscore c, but if you create a custom object, in that case, you can see this thing. And you can create, these are the standard fields which were provided by the Salesforce, like country name. Then the name is standard field. Created by ID is standard, last modified by ID is standard, and owner ID is standard. This is the lookup. Means in Salesforce there is a lot of relationship, and lookup relationship is one among them. I'm going to cover all these things in the next videos. So as of now, we just create a new field here. So I'm just creating just a text field. As you can see, there is a lots of fields like auto number. If you select this auto number, then after saving a records, you can see that field is populating automatically. 1 2 3 4, it's automatically done. If you use formula, then in that case the field value will not populate it directly. After saving the records, you can see the populated value. So this is the lookup relationship. I'm just going to, like, what is it, like, create a relationship that links the object to another object. In this case, I just wanted to explain one thing. Like, as I showed earlier, account and contacts, account is another object and contact is another object. In this case, they have a relationship like parent child relationship. Account is parent and child is contact. In this case, they are basically using master detail relationship. But if there is no such direct contact but they are related to each other, in that case we can use lookup relationship. As of now, we are not using this because we are making more videos so that we can cover different kinds of relationship here. So I'm just using text. This is only for text. So click on next. Means as country name is already there, so I'm writing here like country, mm, country's profile. Uh, mm, country, population. So the length maybe population may be huge. So I'm going to use like 2 5. Yeah. I can change the level actually. I'm just writing here president, or I can use capital. This could be more appropriate. It should be short and are basically used. So I need to write once again. Yeah, it's automatically come. And one more thing I just wanted to mention, if you want this field required, means when user filling this form or creating any kinds of records, in that case they need these fields, you need to check this checkbox required. As of now, I'm just not make it required. If I need it, in that case, I will make it required in another way. This is one approach. So next, and as you can see that there is option like these kinds of user can see these things. If you want all those user don't see these things, just a single type of profile can see these things, you can just uncheck it. Like custom support profile, I don't want this profile see these things, I don't want marketing profile see this thing. So in that case, I just uncheck this. Then next, and finally, you can see that country layout is showing. This is the page layout I'm showing you. Okay, and then you need to save. If you randomly create some more object, more fields, in that case, save and use another option so that you can create more fields. So, as you can see, just like an object, you can see underscore underscore C here means this is a custom field. And as I mentioned, text and the length 250 it is showing here. And as you can see, one more thing, that's the page layout. So from page layout, you can add some fields. Means if you create 40 fields, you don't maybe want that all these fields are shown into the page layout. Like when they are creating records, they might not need all these fields. So in that case, if you want to remove or add something, you need to use page layout. From fields, um, as you can see, this is the uh, as I check this checkbox like notes and attachments, it's here. If you don't need it, you just need to click on this so that it will be removed. And if you need, but you need to add button, you need to click here. As you can see, country name, country capital, this will automatically came here. If you need to add something more like submit for approval, you just need to drag and drop here. This is the result. Means you need to do this so that you can add something like this. You need to send survey here, so you need to just drag and drop here. In quick action, you can do this. This is the quick action. In mobile lightning action, all you need to do is you need to write this. After creating a action button, I'm just going to use this. As of now, I'm not using it. This is the related list, as I said. Active history, activity history. You can see this thing like you can also use the setting if you want to change something like priority. You can use up and down like selecting this, then you can use up, just you can arrange it. And if you don't need it, just click this icon and it will be automatically removed from the page layout. And after doing all these thing, you just need to save it. This is the save option. So these are all these things for today. Thank you so much.